Don't you forget about breakfast. A near-death experience. I'm not impressed. When your mom becomes evil. Run. Cherish those friendships. TFW You Are Insatiable. Rolling out with my dog squad. Eyes always watching. Adopt, don't shop. Nothing. There's nothing. Never going anywhere alone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.